Now let's complete the analysis you started in the last few lessons. We'll look at how the design document describes the process for selecting the TV channels that make up a customer's package. You are looking for the rules for selecting or removing the satellite channels for residential customers. The text could say something like this: the standard channels are included in every package. The checkbox for this option will be grayed out so it can't be added or removed. To select single or additional products, use the checkboxes next to the appropriate channel. If an existing customer already has the channel, it will be pre-selected. So we can see that the existing customer in this example would already have the basic package in the sports channel with a military discount. Now we can add more TV channels to the customer's package by simply selecting them. You can also delete a TV channel by selecting the same checkbox. Now let's look at another example where a new customer wants to add all channels to their satellite TV package. As you know, the standard channels are already included, and the customer has asked the sales representative to provide every available channel. The customer has not served in the military, so there is no military discount applied for the sports channel. The design should specify a rule that only one sports channel can be selected. We now understand how TV channels are added to the total package. It's worth mentioning at this point that so far you have simply been gathering information to start creating your tests, but how exactly would you remember all this? The answer is, you probably won't. Everyone has their way of capturing this information, but my favorite method is to annotate the design document with comments, either electronically or on a paper copy, then record any comments requiring clarification on a spreadsheet. If you were invited to review the early drafts of any design document, then you would have asked for this clarification earlier in the process. You now have enough information to start creating your first test case. So head over to the next video, then we can do this together. I will see you there shortly. Remember, all lessons are free, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It costs you nothing and allows me to keep creating free content for you.